Alright, children, a very good morning. Yesterday we had started with the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Okay, alright. Today we will continue the same poem. Children, what was there in the poem? The poem was all about telling us the different pets Belinda had. Alright, how were the characteristics of each pet? Everyone was brave except Custard, who appeared so huge, so magnificent, that dragon, but inside he was a coward. Okay, so this implies that never judge a book by its cover. What does that mean, children? It means that we should not judge any person through his outer appearance, to his physical appearance. Okay, we don't know what he has been through, what he has gone through, or what is his reality. So this proverb really implies on this poem, which says that never judge a book by its cover. Okay, let's continue. Belinda giggled till she shook the house, and Blink said weak, which is giggling for a mouse. Okay, everyone was laughing at him, everyone was making fun of Custard. Okay, they were laughing, they were enjoying, they were giggling. Weak implies when a mouse giggles, it is said weak. That word is called weak. Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age when Custard cried for a nice safe cage. Okay, Custard was always of such instance that no, keep me in a cage, I don't want to be outside. He showed his cowardness. Okay, so they were mocking at him that are you a child that you always wanted to be inside that cage? So they were just mocking him and making fun of him. Okay, suddenly they heard a nasty sound. Nasty is something which is cruel, wicked sound, nasty sound. And Mustard growled, and they looked all around. Okay, Mustard was a dog. He started barking. Okay, he started growling. Dog, children, we all know dog is a very faithful animal, and dog can sense any difficulty which is coming towards his owner or his owner's house. Okay, meouch, cried Ink. Ooh, cried Belinda, for there was a pirate climbing in the window. Okay, so everyone really got scared. Why did they got scared? Because they saw a pirate. What is a pirate? Pirate is a thief, a robber. Okay, a robber had come inside their house through the window. Pistol in his left hand, pistol in his right, and he held in his teeth a cutlass bright. Okay, now how was his appearance? He was looking very wicked and very powerful. Okay, why was he powerful? He was in such a view, he had pistol on both the hands. Okay, pistol implies that he could kill anyone, anytime he could give it a shot. Okay, so he was looking, somebody could be so scared by even looking at the appearance of that man, of that pirate. His beard was black, one leg was wood. It was clear that the pirate meant no good. Okay, that negativity was coming through the pirate, that he is not a good person. Okay, his physical appearance was not appealing. Okay, it was showing as if he is a very big, very bad person. Okay, very wicked one. Belinda paled. Paled means when children we are in a trouble or when we really don't know what we have to do, our face color flies. Okay, it becomes yellow. Same way Belinda was paled. Okay, her face color flew. She became yellow. She stood there. She couldn't know what was happening, what was she going through, or what would happen later on. She cried, "Help! Help!" But Mustard fled with a terrified yelp. Okay, Mustard fled means ran away. Okay, everybody was terrified, everybody got scared. Ink trickled down to the bottom of the household. Now Cat also went downstairs. Everybody, every pet wanted to save themselves. Okay, nobody wanted to get killed. And little mouse blinked strategically mouse hole. Okay, that mouse also went to inside his hole. Cat also went downstairs. Mustard also ran away somewhere. But up jumped Custard, snorting like an engine. Snorting means the voice with the dragons make. That is snort. To snort. Okay. Clashed his tail like irons in a dungeon. Okay. His tail was looking like an iron. It was so heavy. He was moving his tail here and there. Okay. He just wanted to help Belinda. He wanted Belinda to come out of that problem. With clatter and clank and a jangly swarm, he went at the pirates that a robin at a worm. Okay, with all that noises of his movement, he was running very fast. Okay, jaggling is a sound. Okay, he went as in he jumped at the pirate, just like a robin. Who's a robin? Robin is a bird, children, a very brave and flightless bird. Okay, like when that robin sees a worm as an earthworm, the insects. The way bird sees an insect and runs at her, jumps at her in order to eat her, same way Custard jumped at that pirate. The pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon and gulped some grog from his pocket flagon. Okay, gaped as in he wanted to kill that animal. He wanted to kill Custard the dragon, but Custard somehow managed it. He pushed him, and both the bullets which were coming out of the pistol got fired on the air, so nobody got a hit. Okay. Then Custard gobbed him every bit. Means Custard ate him completely. Okay. Dragon ate that pirate. That pirate was inside his stomach. Okay. Belinda embraced him. Embraced means praised him. She was amazed. She got so happy. Okay. Mustard licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Nobody felt sad that he's dead. Everybody was happy. Why? Because their lives were saved, and they were shocked that dragon saved Belinda. Everyone was in fear, but he came up. Okay. Ink and blink in glee. Glee means happiness. Did gyrate around the dragon that ate the plate. Okay, now everyone was giving very much importance to Custard. Why? Because he saved them from such a big mishappening that could happen. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. I have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flushed. Okay, now everybody was boasting of their braveness. And up Ink and up spoke Blink, we have been 3 times as brave as we think. And Custard said, I quite agree that everyone is braver than me. Okay, now they boosted of their bravery. No, I am also brave. She said, I am also brave. Cat also said, mouse also said, dog also said. So Custard the dragon agreed to this. He said that, yeah, all of you are much braver because you have a brave heart than me. My heart is not such brave. Children, it is often said that we never know how strong we are until being strong is the only thing we have. Okay? It is the only way out. Custard also didn't knew that he was very brave, but when he saw that Belinda was in trouble, in order to save her, he forgot all the cowardness and helped her. Alright? Sometimes when the circumstances come, we also can't feel it. That, oh, we have done this. We have done this. Same was happening with Custard. Belinda still lives in her little white house. Now they explain that everything is back to normal. With her little black kitten and her little grey mouse and her little yellow dog and her red wagon. Everything was same. Okay, the wagon was same, the pets were same, and her Trilio little pet dragon. Belinda is brave as a barrel full of bears. We have already discussed about this, that Belinda's bravery is compared to a group of bears. Okay, she is very brave. And Ink and Blink chase lions down the stairs. Okay, they are also very brave enough. Same thing. Mustard is as brave as tiger in a rage as an anger. But Custard keeps crying for a nice safe cage. Okay, now everything is turned back to normal. They have started living their normal life and everyone is behaving normal as they used to behave earlier. Okay, basically children, it's about two things. One is never judge a book by its cover, and second thing, we never know how strong we are until being strong is the only thing we can feel. Okay, all right children, so go through the poem twice or thrice and do let me if you have any queries.